My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
Talking to their nurtures and talking to the cast. Whenever you stand up, you said, I'm a Niger Delta, I'm a South. Most of you are disappointing in your argument. You went to school, you read and studied even more than me, you speak good English even more than me, yet your sense are not in good shape. Despite all you have read in school, despite your qualification in school, your mode of reasoning has killed the certificate you came out, the degree you came out with. I am telling you the gospel truth. Why did I say this? Most of you study geography, most of you study history, most of you study science, yet you can't dictate what is truth from what is lie. They call us Niger Delta, they call us South. In geography, is there anything like South? When you go to the north, is there anything like North? It is only us. When you come to this area, you see Southeast, you see South. What is South? In that world, in the terms of geography, is there anything like South? But you accepted the name, you accepted, because these are political steps that this guy took to actually, stampede us as a people. And yet, you call yourself a learned fellow, you cannot dictate when your enemies are working so hard to make you voiceless. You are protecting your stupid South, you are protecting your stupid whatsoever region. Is South a region? I'm from South. I am a Niger Delta. A Niger Delta. What is the meaning of Niger Delta? This is a political creation. They did it to actually separate you. Okay, let me ask you again. There is Southeast. Let's assuming that those who created the regions politically abide by the geographical laws and rules. If there is nothing like South, where will your region fall into? Let's assume now that the Delta State are, according to, if Delta State are into the southeastern region, will you be doubting it that you are not from the southeast? Will you be doubting it that you are not an Igbo man? Now, if they are to give the South, the Nigerians, okay, it is the turn of the South to produce a president. Will an Eka man be, what is it called? Be a president? Will an Okwale man be a president? The same thing the Kwales are suffering as a minority. The same thing the Kars are suffering as a minority. The same thing the Nyochas are suffering as a minority. Same thing the Anambarians, the Imos, and the Enugus are suffering as a minority. Do you know why? Our enemies succeeded politically to divide or separate us from our assemblies, our brothers and our sisters, making us voiceless. And now we became minority. When we talk about the Igbo presidency in the political terrain in Nigeria, some people use that word, Igbo mainstream. I thank that my brother for, trying to for his work on this Arise Television, killing the narrative of lies that has been with us for a very long time. They say Igbo mainstream, the mainstream. What do you mean by the most mainstream? Is there people that are more Igbo than others? We are all Igbos. The young man, he gave account of some things that have been happening. The political lies. One of the major problems is that it is we the cast, we the nurturers, that are helping our enemies to have more strength, to have more, more power, more ways into our daily affairs and into our political affairs. Most surprisingly, our monarch, our obese, our elders, those who ought to protect the land, are running and they are working with the political agendas, not even knowing where they are standing to be in this politics. You sell your land, you deny your identity because of political gain. Nigeria returned back into the democracy in 1999. From 1999 to today is how many years? Now we are a kind of privilege that one of us from a Kalan were able to emerge as the governor of Delta State. In as that, I will ask again, what can you boast of as a government presence in a Kalan, in a Northland, in Kwale land? Even in that, who he cannot help? What we are saying here is that we are fighting on how to unite ourselves so that our voice will be strong, so that we can be meaningful in the society where we are finding ourselves. You are busy helping our enemies to divide us the more. Your name, the name of your community, your culture and your heritage, your value system speaks more of where you are coming from. Yet, you still want to tell me you are not from this place, you are not from this place. You still want to tell me that this is not where you belong. How? Give birth to your father. How come you don't bear Benin name? How come there is nothing that talks about Edo in your land? How come our communities has no name that is related to Edo? Edo. I don't know what is wrong with you people. These are politically orchestrated moves to keep us as a people in a certain location. Yet we have master degree holders in history, in geography. We have master degree holders, PhDs in different academic qualifications. Yet we don't reason like human being who has eyes, but we don't see. Yet we don't reason like people who can see that and look into their their cultural affair to actually dictate what is wrong and what is not wrong. Somebody says, sir, can I ask you a question? Go ahead, my brother. I want to have that question. Write it on. Chris, let me hear that your question. Let me hear that your question, Chris. Now you tell yourself you know this. I want to say this. If you are if you are a researcher or you've read, you will agree with me that every community you see, even Nigeria, is named. The name Nigeria. When you look at Kurt Henshaw, this look